haul, gigantic Marshall's haul. Go there and buy everything 10 times cheaper. Here we go. I pay 145 bucks, but let me show you what I actually got on crazy discount. This is clean. Everything that I buy, it's clean. No parabens, no fragrance, no crap ingredients. 12 bucks. Shampoo and conditioner of this one. Do a pack. If I find I'm gonna be putting real prices on Amazon, you can find this actually on Amazon. Who doesn't like cheap stuff? I do. Hairbrush, I really like these kind of brushes because when I blow dry my hair, which I don't really do, maybe once a month, blow dry hair when everything air can go through is really amazing. I love this. This was not on discount, not on sale. I think $3.99, $4.99. Tongue scraper, I think it's scraper. I use this. It's a really amazing way to detox your mouth, to have a better breath, and the quality and the health of your tongue is actually quality of your mouth, and the quality of your mouth is the quality of your entire health. Do this. If you don't know how to use it, I do have TikTok video. TikTok is JinAmberX, by the way. You can follow me if you want. Link is gonna be down below. All right, shampoo. No harmful sulfate, no PEGs, parabens, mineral oil, propylene glycol, phthalates, artificial dyes. 10 bucks, original price 17. Here we go. Everything that is clean, I'm down. I need clean stuff. 6 bucks. Carol's Daughter. These are clean, of course. Been using those for a while. Almond milk conditioner, restoring conditioner. Here we go, 6 bucks. My favorite toothpaste, this Ayurvedic, very natural and clean toothpaste. It was $4.99, yes, as I remember. This is amazing and clean. Everything what I have is clean because clean is actually better than toxic. You can argue with me, you can say it doesn't matter, but once you're sick, once you have autoimmune disorders that I had in the past and right now don't, that kind of makes sense. Yeah, and get rid of toxic candles. Very toxic. All right, this is $3.99. Simple. Actually, I love this brand. They're good. I have their makeup removing micellar water. I think it's really great to remove mascara. Wipes for travel. Sometimes, you know, I'm going to Mexico tomorrow, so it's good. All right, guys, don't look at this right now. I got some pads. More on the natural side. $5.99. So I got some for a couple of months in advance. Guys, don't watch this part of the video. And then panty liners for daily use every day. $4.99. Cool. What I was excited the most, you can find this brand in Sephora. I love it. Hydration Inner Beauty Boost, 10 bucks, twice discounted. No, actually 3 times was the original price. I am just so noisy. Actually, I have to see what's below. Hold on, this might gonna take some time. Okay, this is 1, 2, 42 bucks. Is this even real? Oh my god. 42 bucks. How much I need to take? Serving size 1 tablespoon. So basically this is a Hydration Inner Beauty Boost biofermented elixir with magnesium for electrolyte balance, coconut and cucumber water with lime to replenish the skin, fermented with probiotics for a healthy belly. You know, guys, this brand, the Beauty Chef, they're from, I think, Australia, New Zealand, somewhere there around. They're in Sephora. It is beauty brand, but they focusing on the inside. I always preach that your skin is a representation or mirror of your gut. Bioscience freaking I found in Marshall's. $9.99, of course, no discount on this. Squalane cleanser, jelly cleanser. I like them because they are clean, natural. Their squalane is derived from plants. My squalane, which I have a vitamin C cream plus squalane, is also derived from plants. They save over 2 million sharks every year by using plant-derived squalane. Stuff from Bioscience I found on sale. 12 bucks. This is Squalane Glycolic Renewal Mask Elderberry Jelly Cleanser. I know it's not much, it's only 40 mils, but hello, if you're traveling just for a couple of days, a week, that's gonna be enough since we're all cleansing only at night, right? you cleanse at night as well only, no morning cleanse, right? You guys follow me on TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. And then this is amazing for travel because we're traveling to Mexico tomorrow. And hydrating stick from Burt, also a very clean brand. You just travel on the flight, in the car. You just I'm gonna be keeping this in my car. Of course, not in summer, at the winter only. Oh, it's cooling. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels really good. Wow, that actually feels really, really good. Cooling, oh my goodness. And then the last item in this entire bag that I have is a lash curler. I want to have curled lashes. Maybe I can open this. I think I need to have a knife in order to open this. I guess I opened it. You gotta be very careful when you open those things full of plastic. You can actually injure yourself. Be very, very careful. Be very smart. And I don't know if this worked. Actually trying. I do not have patience, and I don't know. I'm still trying, guys. Be patient with me. Just please be patient. Come on, just. I know I can do it. See? I did it. I knew it. I can do it. This is crazy, Jen. I can't see. I don't have mirror here. I should have mirror here. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Doesn't work. $3.99. It doesn't work. That's why it's $3.99, because it doesn't work. I do go to Sephora sometimes. Oh, by the way, I want to show you what I bought in Sephora. I went last week to Sephora. I bought this fresh. I think it was 100. It's right there, 105 bucks. It's all natural, fresh. I love fresh because they are natural. Kombucha cleansing treatment, really great. Kombucha facial treatment essence, really great. Black tea age delay eye concentrate, great. And black tea firming overnight mask, also great. I like those. I tried those already. I have not tried those. I bought it from Youth to People. I think that's the brand. One is Hydrate Activated Mist with adaptogen, and another one Kombucha plus 10% HA Power Exfoliant. So I have not tried them yet, so I can't tell you how well they work, but I was excited because it's kombucha, and you know kombucha is a natural probiotic, so I think that's a spray. Let me... Smells natural, smells like shit, so probably is good. And then I have Farmacy. This is all natural, guys. You know, if you're on my channel, I just love all natural stuff. And here we go. We have a healthy skin starter. I think this was maybe 50 bucks. Smaller sizes like 12 mils, 50 mils, 10 mils, 30 mils. Farmacy Halo, Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, HA Resurfacing, a night cream, deep sweep, 22% BHA, green, clean. Why am I just talking about it? Let me show you actually how it looks like right here. I don't know if you're going to see, but that thing. So I do go to Sephora. I do buy at Sephora. You see, this is deep, clean. This one, I think they kind of tried to copy from Paula's Choice, but their own way. It's kind of cute. Let me see. What is this? Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. So I can try actually a little bit. See how does this feel. It smells like nothing actually. It smells natural. It smells like a little bit like honey. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna give you an update, guys, in a couple of months. I'm gonna let you know if I like any of those products that I bought in Sephora. Alright, I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe to this channel and follow me on TikTok or Instagram. Bye. Love you.